My name's Mark Parks and I'm the Group Managing Director of Bostonair Group and have been in that role now for 20 years. The origins of the Bostonair Group go back to 1885. A fishing business was started in Boston, Lincolnshire, and my family took that over in 1910, and that's where our name comes from. In 1982 we took one of the old trawler fishing businesses and renamed it as Bostonair and started with an executive air charter business and ran that through until 1997 when I got involved in the business and we changed direction and went into aircraft maintenance and recruitment. Bostonair are based in Norwood House in Beverley, which acts as our group headquarters, and we have 39 staff there. We also have a branch office for recruitment services based in Hamburg. As a business, we decided to expand the scope of services that we provide so that we can give a more comprehensive solution to our customers. For example, with DHL, we started providing manpower and we have over 70 technicians working on a temporary basis there. But we also provide line maintenance services across 8 locations around Europe. And we provide type training and continuation training for DHL as well as our own technicians and other suppliers to them. We got involved in the energy sector in 2008, first putting aero engine technicians into aero-derivative gas turbine maintenance with GE in the Netherlands, and then we diversified again slightly, starting in the wind sector from 2011, but using the same core skill sets. In the energy industry, we're trying to follow a really similar path to what we've done in aviation, understand the needs of the customers, the scope of services that they require, and the scale of the services that they need over the next few years. There's huge expansion in this sector at the moment, and we're currently working for Siemens, Dong Energy, Vestas and Vensis, and we're hoping to expand on this over the next year or two. The first contract we won was back in 1999 with the Lufthansa Group, providing manpower to Lufthansa Technik in Frankfurt, and we've never done a month since March 1999 without providing some sort of service to the Lufthansa Group. As a business, we like to develop long-term relationships with our clients so that we really get to understand their needs. Airbus Group we've worked for the last 4 years, Condor for the last 6 or 7 years, Air Berlin since 2006. And there are many other customers that we've also got in our portfolio that we've worked for a considerable length of time. One of our core values that we like to concentrate on as a business is to understand the market that we're getting ourselves into, understand the type of supply, understand our customers, but also understand from a legislative point of view what we have to do in a particular country to operate.